Hi there! Ready to improve your English speaking skills? Just listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's begin. Section 1. Conversations at work. How was your weekend? Repeat after me. How was your weekend? It was great. I went hiking with my friends. It was great. I went hiking with my friends. I'm a bit busy right now. Can we talk later? I'm a bit busy right now. Can we talk later? Sure, just let me know when you're free. Sure, just let me know when you're free. The meeting has been moved to 3 p.m. The meeting has been moved to 3 p.m. Thanks for letting me know. Thanks for letting me know. Section 2. Talking about plans. What are you doing this weekend? What are you doing this weekend? I might go to a concert if I get tickets. I might go to a concert if I get tickets. We're planning a trip to the mountains next month. We're planning a trip to the mountains next month. That sounds amazing. I'd love to join. That sounds amazing. I'd love to join. Let me check my schedule and get back to you. Let me check my schedule and get back to you. Section 3. Expressing opinions. In my opinion, online learning has both pros and cons. In my opinion, online learning has both pros and cons. I agree with you, but I think it depends on the person. I agree with you, but I think it depends on the person. That's an interesting point of view. That's an interesting point of view. Personally, I prefer working in a quiet environment. Personally, I prefer working in a quiet environment. I'm not sure I understand what you mean. I'm not sure I understand what you mean. Section 4. Everyday challenges and feelings. I've been feeling a little overwhelmed lately. I've been feeling a little overwhelmed lately. There's just too much on my plate right now. There's just too much on my plate right now. Sometimes taking a short break really helps. Sometimes taking a short break really helps. I finally finished that big project at work. I finally finished that big project at work. You must feel so relieved. You must feel so relieved. Section 5. Polite English and softening tone. Would you mind helping me with this? Would you mind helping me with this? I was wondering if you're free this evening. I was wondering if you're free this evening. It might be better if we wait until tomorrow. It might be better if we wait until tomorrow. I'd really appreciate your support. I'd really appreciate your support. Let's keep in touch. Let's keep in touch. You did great. These sentences are useful in real-life conversations. The more you repeat, the more confident you'll sound. Thanks for practicing with me. See you in the next video.